That's a cough drop. Because I'm sick. Today I feel better. It's day 3 of my illness. Or day 2. I don't know which day exactly it is that of my illness. Okay, here's what happened. Let's see, today is Wednesday. So Sunday night, Nate was starting to not feel good. And, he started sneezing a lot. He was sneezing a lot on Saturday night. And then I'm like, do you think you're getting a cold? And he's like, nah, it's probably just allergies. So all day on Sunday, he was sneezing. And then he went to work. Right when he was getting out, he texted me and said he demanding tea with honey. And I'm like, okay, that means he's not feeling good. So I make him tea with honey, and he gets home, drinks it down, and he's like, I think I got a cold. But we checked his temp, and it was like below normal. So it's like, okay, so maybe that's his normal or something, and because it was his usual temp. And sorry, I got a Twitter notification. Anyway, so sorry, I gotta suck on this thing a little bit. So he's like not feeling good the rest of the night. And then we check his temp again at like 2 something. And he has a fever. And it was like, okay, so you're not going to school tomorrow morning. And Monday's his all day thing. Well, all day on Monday, he was sleeping. He slept the entire day. He woke up only like for a couple hours at a time. To like just eat, watch some YouTube, but he would not get out of that bed. It's like, okay, this is a sign. He's really sick. We check his temp. Highest temp was at 101.3. And that's a fever. That is legit fever. So yeah, he was sick. Monday night, I start developing a sore throat. So I was like, oh crap, I'm getting it. I knew I was going to catch it, but I thought it wouldn't be until like Tuesday. But no, I caught it that night. I stayed up because I just didn't want to lay down. My ear was hurting. When I finally went to bed, I was cold and hot at the same time. I'm like, yep, I got a fever. That's my usual sign. Like when I'm cold and hot at the same time, I have a fever. So I ran to, I didn't run, but I quickly went to the local, the gas station that's like kitty corner to us, and grabbed a whole bunch of cough drops. And that's what I did. I grabbed a whole bunch of cough drops and sucked on one before going to sleep because my throat was so sore I couldn't relax. Next morning, I'm just out of it. This was yesterday. So Tuesday. I'm just out of it. I slept hard. And I woke up and I was just like, yeah, I'm sick. Because I had like sneezing, stuffiness, really bad sore throat, and I was just so foggy brained, and like my eyes were always like this. It was just I was just out of it the majority of the day, and I had to force myself to cook last night. I had to cook dinner last night, and I was like forcing myself to cook. because we needed food and we were hungry. So I made us this awesome pasta dish that I'm gonna have for lunch. There's leftovers. It's really good. Uh, so even when I'm sick, I can cook really well. I don't know if that says something about my cooking skill. I kind of take pride in that. I was like, I'm very proud of myself for that because I mean, I was out of it. I kept forgetting what I was making, and it was just like I don't know what I'm doing. All I know is this one pot thing. And now today, I'm feeling better, but my throat is sore again because I've been coughing like crazy. I was coughing a lot last night, and so I woke up with a really bad sore throat. Like there was a point during the day yesterday where my throat was feeling pretty good, but today it's really sore from just coughing a lot, and like the force of the coughs were pretty hard. I'm getting stuff up, and I've been sweaty today and stuff. So I took a shower to make myself feel better. Like when I'm sick, I like a lot of showers because they soothe me, and they get all the sicky sweat off of me. So I took a shower this morning, well, this afternoon, whatever. And yeah, so like I kept feeling hot, I kept sweating a lot, and then I kept feeling cold because of the sweat. And it was just it's just a mess. I'm a mess today. So that's why I didn't post it this week. Cause I I had some footage and stuff that I wanted to edit and stuff on Monday, but I didn't like how they were turning out, and I was busy taking care of my husband. So yeah. Seamus is an emotional mess because he hasn't been able to go for a walk yesterday or today. I don't plan on taking him for a walk today either. I just feel like I should be relaxing. Maybe tonight, I don't know, but just my body is still quite sore. Like my skin is very sensitive to certain fabrics today. So that's a sign that I'm still sick. Um I had a low grade fever earlier this morning. So I'm just trying to stay away from people. That's legit what I'm trying to do is just stay away from people. I don't want them to catch what I have. It's miserable and I'm miserable and my voice is really going away because I've been talking and coughing. So I'm gonna just relax, try to do all the dishes that I can while I'm sick. Um, I've been sneezing a lot, so that's fun. And yeah, so I'm gonna do what I can today. And I shall see you guys next week when I feel better. So yeah, bye bye.